lift it up now. That's it. Lift it up. Okay, reverse. That's good. And put it in reverse. Good. So we're going to back up way down here. Awesome. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming straight back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, stop. And then put it in forward. And then raise your forklift up. And you're going to set it up on top of those boards. You're going to set it up right to here. Awesome. Oh my gosh, are you sure you haven't done this before?
No.
Oh my gosh. You're showing off.
Good?
Yeah, and put it down. Okay, just lift up the tines a little bit. Just lift the tines up a bit. A little more. Okay, now back out carefully. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Eleni on her first attempt ever running a forklift, ever. Amazing. So much about marketing. Put her out in the field. Put her, she should be in construction. And go pick one off over there now and set it on. Trick I'm going to show you here. This one here, you just have to tip the mast forward a bit so that the teeth go in straight. Yep, so you're good there now. Just down a wee bit.
This one?
Just the first one. Yep, down a bit. Good. Okay, straight in. You're doing awesome. Straight in. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, lift up and reverse. Reverse. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time ever with all of these valuable cars around and did not even get close to hitting them. Now she was setting it on the skids and the here on the sawhorses. Meticulous driving. Further ahead. Okay, you can let it down carefully. Go forward a little more. A little more. Okay, now down. Yep. You're good.
I need help there.
And it's back up. Away she goes. Look at that. I can't get the smile off her face. She can't even believe that she's doing it. Awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, give this lady a big standing ovation.